What's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you just how you can use all the text option inside Adobe Illustrator. How you can use this typing tool in this toolbox with this Adobe Illustrator. So here, simply if you want to write something inside Adobe Illustrator, in your left corner you can see this toolbar is available. You click on this type tool, you put your cursor here, you can see we have this type tool. You click here, when you right click you can see all this available feature for your typing. So simply you click type, and here you click anywhere on your artboard and you type hello world. So simply you can type anything inside Adobe Illustrator. But if you want to change anything, you click selection tool. If you want to change any font of that on the upper, you can see we have this select font available. We have the font style, and also we can increase the font size from here. And also if I click on the characters, we are going to see all the available options, like we can change font, you can change font style, or I can increase the size. I don't want to go dig into these features. I just want to show you how you can type inside Adobe Illustrator. So here let me show you, we have this area type tool. So whenever you click here, so you can simply select, or you can put your cursor inside this text to edit. So if we have this polygon, I'm going to press Alt and Shift drag. So whenever if I want to type inside this area, so I'm going to select this area type tool. You click here, you can type, because you must click on a non-compound or non-masking path to create text inside. So this you can't actually type anything here. You have to change that type on path tool. So you have to select this one. So when I select this one, I can click on the path is from this point to this point, or you can see this corners. We have 1 2 3 4 5. So this is all path. So I can click here and I can type my text here. Logo is best for branding. So this is how you can type your text. Now this is change it from this path to this. This is changed to text. This is not a compound path. So compound path. So here I can select this area type tool, and I can select any text, or I can edit. So from here I can add my text as well. So this is how you use this area type tool. And also type on path tool, let me show you. I'm already you type it on the polygon, but if you want to type on the ellipse tool, so here I'm going to select this ellipse tool, drag and drop, and here if I want to type my text around this path on the circle, so I'm going to this typing tool, click on type on path tool. So here if I click here, I can type my text. Logo is best for brand. So this is how you can use this type on a path tool. So let me move this to this right corner, and let me add a polygon in the here. If you add a polygon, and if you want to type a vertical type tool, it means that you can vertically type here. Let me if you click here, I can vertically type my text, like a logo is the best. So this is how you can type vertically, and also you can use this vertical type simply here. Click on the artboard if you want to type like based services. Maybe you want to add a text to your design, so simply you can click on the artboard and you can type vertical text on your artboard. And also we have this vertical area. So when you click this, so vertically you can actually, you can see you can also add a vertical type here. You can select this text here, and also I can select this vertical type. I can edit here. So if you click here, so you can add your more text here. And also let me go to this vertical type on path tool. So whenever you want to add a vertical on the path, so let me show you. So if I select this ellipse tool, if I track it here, press alt and shift and track. If I go here and type vertical path on tool, so here you can see that we actually we can, you must select a non-compound, because here it's already select. You can see it's if I click here vertical type on path tool, so here I can type this like this is circle. So it means that I can actually a vertical type on path tool as well. So if we want to go with this polygon tool, let me draw here. Let me move all this text, delete some text here, so we can get this space here. If I click vertical type on path tool, so whenever you click here, you can see that is still we can type on this tool here. You can, we have the brand, we can type vertically for this path tool if you select this one. So what is touch type tool? So whenever you want to actually here want to select this, or if you press shift and T, then you're allowed to select any of these text from here. Like if you want to select this one, this is a touch tool, you can increase the size, but let me select this one. Here I can rotate this like this, or I press Ctrl Z, or I can actually resize this as well. You can see this is how you can use this touch tool. And simply if you write anything right here, let me go with this touch tool, and if you select this one, you can resize this, and also from here you can rotate this, and also from this portion, from this corner, you can move this around like this. You can move it to the right, left, upper, and the below points. And from here also you can actually resize this. From here you can resize this too. So this is how you can use this touch tool. And let me show you one more option which is related to this typing tool, is when you want to change, when you want to make a circle logo. So whenever you want to change the text, so you can see the text is out of this path tool, it's written, but in case if you want to change that, you go to this type tool, here we have a type on a path, and here we have this type on path option. And let me move this to this left corner, and I'm going to check this preview. If I click flip, so it's going to flip your text. So 100% you're going to need for these option whenever you want to design something, and when you want to deal with the text with your design. So here is already select as a rainbow. If I click skew, you can see this is going to change my whole text inside this path tool, which is I'm already written. And also if I click 3D ribbon, you can see I can change it, or I can select a stair step. You can see this is going to show me a stair steps. And also gravity, you can see the text is going to show me in gravity. So I'm going to select this rainbow, so I can flip this. So also if I click baseline is the default. If I click center, this is going to take this text to the center of this path lines. And also let me go with this descender. So if I click descender, you can see the texts actually go far from this path to path lines or path. You can see this is if when I select a sender, the text is going inside this circle. So here I can also, if I click with the baseline, so from here I can spacing around, like I can give it a space, like if you want to put it auto, so here I can give it a space. So this is all the typing path option when you are going to type on the path of a circle, or the any path that is going to be available with these shapes. This shape is all paths. When you try to type on the path, when you want to design anything like this, so let me show you that the other things as well. Like if I put so if I want to actually let me delete all of this, and then I can show you. If you design something, a logo like this, you have to make a copy and paste. I'm going to paste this here. I'm going to select this type on path tool, and here I'm select this one, and I'm going to type my text, logo of my company for. So I'm going to make this white. So here when you want to put this together, so if you want to put your text to be same, you select both of them and you click here align selection, and you select this one horizontal align and also vertical align. And now you can see this text doesn't show here because we need to select our text, press alt and shift, and from here I need to resize this or scale this according to your shape. So this is how you can write, and you can put your other design inside this. So this is how you can put your text right over. So whenever you want to change the text option, you click here, go to type, and here you can click on the type on path, you can select flip, and this is going to preview. You can see you can add the text inside your shape, or you can mess around with this option and make it according to your design. So this is how you can work with typing tools inside Adobe Illustrator. Hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and let me know if you have any question regarding this tutorial in the comment box of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and the subscribe button as well, so you're going to be notified about our future videos. See you guys until next video. Peace.